Good day and welcome to progeCAD Malaysia. Today I'm going to share with you on the usage of Revision Cloud command. Basically, Revision Cloud command draws a cloud shape that marks areas of a drawing that may need or requires further attention or to make a note on the drawing itself. For example, if you plan to forward the drawing to your client or fellow draftsman or even to yourself by indicating that there is a revision to that particular section of the drawing, you will use Revision Cloud command to put focus on these amendments or changes. How to execute this cloud command? First off, you can use the tool palette and under draw Revision Cloud icon, which is this one, or under the top menu in 2D draw and click on that cloud icon. The last alternative will be type in the command called REV Cloud and enter. At the moment, there is no shortcut key aliases by default, but you can customize the short key if you desire to do so. Just follow my tip on how to create keyboard shortkeys video. Now let's get started. Looking at my drawing here, I have a new block on the right hand bottom of the drawing. So I'm going to use Revision Cloud to indicate that I have amended or I have updated this area and we will need further attention to this area. This is the block that I'm talking about. Now I'm going to use Revision Cloud to indicate that this is the new change. And now I'm going to use Revision Cloud from two palettes and click on Revision Cloud to draw the cloud over this new change. You will notice that the cloud or the arc drawn is not suitable or is very ugly because I'm using the measure units of 1 to 100, which is supposed to be in a bigger scale. So I have to change the arc size of this Revision Cloud, or we call it the arc length. So I go back to the two palettes and I click Revision Cloud. And this time I'm going to type A on the keyboard to change the arc length. The default arc length is actually 0.5. Minimum length of arc is 0.5. So we're going to change it to say 2000. Because I need a bigger scale. And then the maximum length of an arc is also 2000. And this time when I draw the arc, it looks bigger and nicer. We will erase the previous drawn Revision Cloud and it looks much neater. So depending on your measure units, you may want to change the arc length to a desirable length so that it looks nicer and better on your drawing. Under Revision Cloud, there is another sub command which is entity. Here is what we can do with entity and also style. Let's erase the drawn cloud. Let's draw a circle, or if you want a rectangular, onto this new revision block. And then now we will click on the Revision Cloud and then type entity. So on the keyboard, just type E, enter, and click on the rectangular box. Reverse direction, meaning if you were to reverse the direction, the arc will be on the reverse side. So let's give an example. If we were to type yes, enter, the arc will be reversed. But this is not what we wanted. So we're going to undo this and we click on Revision Cloud again. We type E on the keyboard, enter, click on the box, and this time type no. So you can change an entity into a Revision Cloud. Let's give another example. We erase this Revision Cloud and now we are using a circle. Roughly indicate the center point of the circle and start to draw a circle. Move the circle a little bit to centralize it. And then now we click on the Revision Cloud command again. Type E on the keyboard. Click on the circle. N for no. Enter. We have changed the circle into a Revision Cloud. Now let's look at the last subcommand, which is style. We erase the drawn Revision Cloud and we click on Revision Cloud. Before this, let's draw another circle. Move it a little bit. Click on the Revision Cloud and then type S for style. The earlier cloud that we have drawn is normal style. Now we're going for the calligraphy style. So we type C on the keyboard, enter. And then this time we type E to select the entity, and then N for no, enter. Now you see that the cloud is actually much nicer in a way, and it's easier to read. You can actually change the style back anytime to normal by going into Revision Cloud again, type S for style, and then N for normal, and you can actually start drawing again in normal style. You notice that when I start drawing the cloud, it actually auto closes onto the start point. I hope this will help you understand the Revision Cloud command. I see you again. Goodbye.